KTM India has just announced the launch of their 2023 model range, and one of the most exciting bikes in the lineup is the 2023 KTM RC 390. Today, we're going to take a closer look at this amazing machine and see what's new in this latest iteration. First off, the 2023 RC 390 complies with the newest emission standards and benefits from an onboard diagnostic system. That's great news for those of us who care about the environment and want to ride responsibly. Speaking of riding responsibly, let's talk about the looks of this bike. The 2023 KTM RC 390 comes in two colors: KTM Factory Racing Blue and KTM Electronic Orange, both of which look absolutely stunning. The graphics are similar on both paint options, and you'll notice a KTM decal that runs across the fairing and the fuel tank. There's also an RC 390 badge and a KTM logo on the fairing and the fuel tank, respectively. The styling cues on this bike remain unchanged, and that's a good thing, because the 2023 KTM RC 390 looks just as sleek and sporty as its predecessors. It features a single-pod headlight, a full fairing design, a 13.7-liter fuel tank, a clip-on style handlebar, split-style seats, a side-slung exhaust, and 17-inch alloy wheels on both ends. Under the hood, the 2023 KTM RC 390 uses the same 373.27cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine with Bosch electronic fuel injection system as the 2022 model. It linked to a 6-speed gearbox, and this motor delivers the same 42.9 bhp at 9,000 rpm, and a peak torque of 37 Nm at 7,000 rpm. That means you'll get the same thrilling ride experience that the RC 390 is known for. Now let's talk about the pricing. The 2023 KTM RC 390 is priced at 3.18 lakh rupees, which is slightly more expensive than the 2022 version. Overall, the 2023 KTM RC 390 is a great choice for riders who want a high-performance bike that looks as good as it rides. It rivals the likes of the TVS Apache RR 310 and Kawasaki Ninja 300 in the Indian market, and soon it will face competition from the Yamaha YZF-R3, which is set to arrive very soon. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with others, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.